Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a BMW 1 Series mirror cover. First, gather your tools, specifically a plastic trim removal tool and a soft cloth to protect surfaces. Next, adjust your mirror glass by tilting it all the way down and inward. This provides better access to the clips. Familiarize yourself with where the retaining clips are located around the mirror housing. This preparation makes the removal process much smoother and helps prevent any accidental damage. Now let's begin the removal. With the mirror glass adjusted, gently pry it away from the housing using your plastic tool. You'll feel a slight resistance as it detaches. Once the glass is out, you will see the three main retaining clips that secure the mirror cover. Carefully insert your trim tool behind the cover and gently release each clip one by one. Work slowly to avoid breaking any of the plastic tabs. Here are some important tips for a smooth process. Always use a plastic trim removal tool. Metal tools can easily scratch or damage your paint and plastic components. Apply consistent, gentle pressure when releasing the clips, rather than using sudden, strong force. Rushing can lead to broken tabs or cracked plastic. Taking your time ensures a clean removal and helps preserve the integrity of your mirror assembly for future use. Once the old cover is off, installing a new one is straightforward. Simply align the new mirror cover with the housing, ensuring all the tabs line up correctly. Then, apply firm, even pressure around the edges until you hear and feel all the clips engage securely. Finally, reattach your mirror glass by pressing it back into place and test its movement to ensure everything is functioning properly. You've successfully replaced your BMW 1 Series mirror cover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.